Alright, what's going on, y'all? I know I'm dropping some videos on y'all. Man, what's up with that? I didn't realize how long it had been since I done any videos, guys. Sorry about that. You get all wrapped up with the disc dog stuff. So, as you can see here, I got my hands on a TopStrongGear TSG-800.1D. So, we're just going to kind of take a look at it, unbox it, and see what we get. Says free extended 1-year warranty on select amplifiers. I don't know if this is one of them or not. And then we just get TopStrongGear, made in China. Nothing on that side. And according to the box and the specifications, we got RMS power at 1 ohm, 800 watts, 500 at 2 ohm, 300 at 4 ohms. Max power 1600 watts. Input sensitivity, it just says 200 millivolts. It doesn't say like a minimum or a maximum. Anyway, signal noise ratio is supposed to be 100 dB. Frequency response 20 to 180. That's interesting because most Class D monoblock sub amps would be 20 to like 250 or so. So that's interesting that they did 180 as a top off. And then it says plus or minus 3 dB. Input level. That's funny. So here on the input level, instead of putting like 200 millivolt to 8 volt, down here they put input level 9 volts DC up to 16 volts DC. That ain't right. Don't go by that. The low pass filter crossover control is between 40 and 180. Bass boost 0 to 12 dB. Adjustable between 30 and 80 hertz. Comes with the bass subwoofer level control knob. Comes with a bass knob. Damn. Input impedance 600 ohms. Okay. Protection circuit. It has thermal, short circuit, over voltage, and that's about it. Yeah. And they even got a outlook.com email address if you need, technical support. Okay, so let's see what we get in the box. Y'all ready? Oh, we got a box. Flip this open here. Flip her open here. Let's go ahead. I can't do this because where my camera's at. Anyway. Alright, so in here we got our kind of cheesy plastic bass knob. It has no indentions on it. It's just rotary. That's it. No clickies. Alright. So, bass knob. And we get our typical... Oh shoot, I don't know. It's a dang phone cable. That's all I know it is. That's all I know it is. You get some mounting screws. And let's go ahead and get the paperwork out of the box. It's actually under the amp. So we get some caution. New stuff. Let you guys pause that if y'all want to read that. And there we go with that outlook.com email address. Alright, installation manual is going to be our typical stuff. Right. Yeah, we'll get it down there and you can pause it if there's anything you need to know there. Make sure to at least connect this unit are larger than 10 gauge. Okay. And how to connect speakers. And that's it. That's it. That's all you need to know. Alright, so let's take a look at the amplifier itself. It actually looks pretty darn cool. It's really small. There's my hand. And yeah. There's that comparison of the bass knob. I don't have anything readily at my fingertips to compare with, so, other than my hand, which I do. Oh, they suckered me with that tape. Oh, get the tape off of her. That's nice. Tape just coming right completely off. That's good. Come on, now watch it. Don't make a liar out of me. Alright, so let's get her out the plastic so we can get a better look at her. It's got some heft to it. It is... I didn't bring the tape. I didn't bring the my measuring tape. Y'all hang on one second. Y'all just sit there and stare at it. Alright, y'all hear me walking back? Guess y'all got a good long look at it. So, let's see here. End to end, not including the mounting feet, it is technically 9 5/8, but down to the mounting feet, it is 10 3/4. So you will need to include the terminals. Yeah, you need about 11 inches width mounting area. The height on it is the typical 1 3/4, 1 7/8, somewhere in that price range. And wide, it is, what is that, 5 1/8, 5 1/4 wide. So very small, which is really cool. So, you know, first thing that we're gonna do, anybody's watching me unbox amplifiers, I should have grabbed a different screwdriver. Really? I should have grabbed a bigger screwdriver. Ain't done. Y'all give me 1 second. Alright, let's try this again with a typical number 2 Phillips head. Not a number 1. Take the bottom off this puppy. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and cut my video light on. Causing a lot of glare, but come up here so we can get a look at the inside. Oh, all kind of epoxy in that. They keep that nice and tight. That's not going nowhere. Look at that, boy. They just gooped that joker in there. I'm not going to break it completely down to see what kind of devices we're using, but get in here so we can get a... So y'all know more about amplifiers than I do. And let's take a look at the control panel. So here's our gain control, 0.2 to 6 volts. Our subsonic filter between 10 and 50. Our low pass between 40 and 180. Our bass boost is 0 to 12 dB. Continuously variable between 32 and 80. Didn't we just see in the manual where the bass boost said 30? Didn't we just see that? Did we just not see that? Where was that at? Oh, here it is. Yep. Bass boost. So y'all see it there, right? And here's what the manual says. 30 to 80. Amplifiers labeled 32 to 80. Oh, that's funny. Okay. And what we got on these capacitors? I can't even see them. Anyway, there we go, guys. That's the unboxing and gut shot of the TopStrongGear TSG-800.1. I believe that is what I said. Confirm that. Don't want to tell you. Yep, TSG-800.1D. Alright, if you found this video useful, informative, or remotely entertaining, please give me a like and think about subscribing. And we're going to test this joker here in the next day or so. So we'll see y'all then. Until next time, see ya.